Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we got an unboxing of this Disney anniversary set. This is a 5-car set and I did see this on Amazon and thought it looked pretty awesome. It is Hot Wheels premium, so they have like the Real Riders tires, and some of these cars are really awesome and super iconic. And I really wanted to get this to kind of display them, but also just to kind of check this out. Like, it's a pretty cool like looking box. It looks really nice. Got the cars displayed right there, and then even on the back. So we're going to go ahead and bust this thing open and take the cards out and check them out and all that good stuff. But like I said, I did see this on Amazon, so there is going to be a link in the description down below. So if you guys want to go and pick one of these boxes up, there will be the link down below, so you guys can do that. And it actually came in like really good condition too. But let's go ahead and open this up here. Alright, it's pretty snug, and there we go. Okay, so displayed a little bit different than I expected, but still looks really nice. So we got all the cars there displayed in a really nice vertical setup, and that looks absolutely amazing. We're going to start off with the top. This is the van from Onward. It's actually kind of interesting that it's like in a little bag. Alright, so we did also see these as standalone Hot Wheel premium cars on cards. So this is like obviously just like the cars completely out of the packaging, and I think this right here looks really good. The attention to detail is really amazing. Like, the thing looks really cool, and even like the artwork on there looks nice and clean and crisp. Wow. I actually have not seen this movie, so I don't understand the exact reference. Got like a little sticker windows. You got little stickers like in the windows there. I don't know if you can really see that, but that actually looks really cool. And obviously it's the metal on metal, so these things are pretty heavy. Alright, so next we're going to go to the Pizza Planet truck. So this was actually a hidden Easter egg in Brave. So it was like a wood carving of the Pizza Planet truck that did appear, and you can kind of see it in the background of like, I think like one or two like quick scenes. But I think this looks really cool, and obviously Pizza Planet truck is super iconic from Toy Story. But I really like how Hot Wheels made an Easter egg from one movie and made it into like an actual Hot Wheel. And next up we got the actual Pizza Planet truck, looking really amazing there, and it has all the detail on there, like the rusted out and everything. It's got kind of like all like the dirt look and everything. This is really cool. Got the little rocket up on top. Man, what an awesome Hot Wheel right there. I'm going to put it right next to it so you guys can kind of see the side-by-side. And, I mean, they look pretty good. Like, it's the same casting and everything, just colored differently. And then we have the RC car from Toy Story. Let me fix the antenna here. But that right there looks really awesome. Obviously, still has the Real Rider tires on it. And the detail looks really good on this too. And obviously that giant wing on the back. But yeah, that's actually a really, really cool Hot Wheel. So the Pizza Planet, actually the Toy Story one, so yeah, the Pizza Planet and the RC car were actually two of my favorites. So I really wanted to be able to open up some of these and display them, because I do have the carded versions, but I didn't want to rip open the package to be able to display them. And then when I saw this set, I'm like, oh, perfect. I'll just get the set, and then I can just open it right up, set the cars out, and be able to display them, check them out, all that good stuff. And let's go ahead and open up the last car, which is the Cruella de Ville car from 101 Dalmatians. That thing looks absolutely crazy, super sinister looking. Man, that is such a cool car. Got even like the white sidewall tires there. And that thing looks so cool. So these 5 cars look absolutely amazing. Hot Wheels did a great job with these, and honestly this little anniversary pack is a pretty cool set. So if you guys are interested in these, like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below. Go pick that up. But also even like the attention to detail and like the backdrop. So you see like the clear plastic, but if I were to like pull this out, it has like the little Disney 100 there all on the inside. So the display of this set is actually really nice, really professional, and wow, this is like the quality of this. Even like the packaging is a lot thicker than like most other Hot Wheels that I see. But this is a super short video. But like I said, link description down below if you guys want to pick one of these up. Also, I do case unboxings. You can see these Amazon black boxes right here behind me. Also, you can kind of see a little case up there of 72 cars. If you guys do want to see case unboxing videos, hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on those when those do go live. I do have a bunch on my channel, but I also have links in the description down below. So if you guys want to pick up an Amazon black box, definitely go do that. But if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But as always, thank you for watching.